Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maria.
And I'm Alex.
And together we are
Mr. and Mrs. Beefcake. So today we are doing another recipe video and we are making
gluten and lacto free cookies in the air fryer.
So without further ado, let's get into the video. So there you have it. That's how you make them, and this is the end result. Yummy, soft, delicious cookies.
And top tip for today, you can, if you want, freeze your cookie dough into portions and then bake it whenever you want a fresh cookie with your cup of tea.
Great idea. And another great idea of what you can use these cookies for is by using it as a base for your cheesecake, which you can see how we did in a previous video right here. Or perhaps you're in the interest for something a bit more savoury. In that case, check out our chicken nugget recipe here.